So here we have my Alfa Romeo Sprint Trofeo 1982. The car was subject to some light panel damage on this side. As you can see, it's all repaired to a pretty good standard. Not insurance claimed. Light damage only, panel damage. No other damage to the car. The car came from Marseille in the south of France and is now in the Charente-Maritime, which is also a sunny and dry state, as you can see by today, the 12th of November 2015. It is what it is, a driver's car. A superb German design boxer engine. Get cold. This car, prior to the slight accident that it had, was immaculate. Owned by an elderly lady. Yeah, I've heard all jokes, but it's true. Headlining is all good. Seats perfect. Car has brand new Pirelli P4 Cinturatos, which were the original tyres for this model. And before the point of sale, it will have a brand new 063 battery, because at the moment I'm on a borrowed battery. This car is virtually rust free. This is not a British car, this is from the south of France. What can I say? Thoroughly nice car. As I say, there was accident damage along here, all since been repaired. Quite costly for the paint. The only new piece it needed was a grill, but the grill had cracked. There we have it. Alfa Romeo Sprint Trofeo 1982. Oh, the other good thing, very good, under 60,000 kilometres. Switch that off for a second. Less than 60,000 kilometres. You can see that. So, sorry about the sunshine. Well, not really. I'll pop the bonnet. There you have a beautiful boxer with the big Delautos. Relive your boy racing times. Leave out the mullets, not required, or optional. You may like mullets. And there you go. And here comes my little dog. It's me! I was the one starting the engine, you silly little dog.